How to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. So the process is very simple. Firstly, open up Shopify on your computer, and then after that, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Click on apps from the left side, then click on recommended apps. Then simply click on Shopify App Store. That's gonna take you over here to this particular page. Now from over here, click on the search apps, and then after that, simply type in import reviews from Aliexpress, and then after that you guys are gonna get many different plugins. So over here, as soon as I type this in, you guys have many different plugins come up. Simply pick the plugin which has the most positive reviews. So in this case, that's gonna be this particular plugin because it has the most positive reviews, and you guys can import products from Aliexpress or any other website as well. So the process is that easy. So guys, this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.